इंडिया काँग्रेस कमिटीचे सगळे देशभर हो प्रोग्राम करपाक आनी थोडेशी वस्तू हायलायट करपाक आज सुरवातेक बाबा एम.के. शेखान सांगलें आमी सदांच आभारी आमचे जे फोर फादर आशिल्ले दोतोर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर, पंडित नेहरूजी, वल्लभभाई पटेल जी, दुसरे हे सगळे टॉल लिडर जे आशिल्ले जे विजन आशिल्ले तेंचे मुखार आनी आमचे खास करून दोतोर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकराचे तो एक लॉ मिनिस्टर आशिल्लो आनी खूब एक्सपिरियन्स आशिल्ले आनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जेन्ना तेणें आमकां दिलें कालच्या दिसाक आमी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डे म्हणून सेलिब्रेट जाले म्हाका दिसता आज गरज आहा खास करून 5 मुद्द्याचेर जेन्ना आमचे कालच्या दिसाक पार्टीचे प्रेसिडेंटाक एक प्रेसान सांगून सगळ्यांक गोंयभर आमच्या भावांक पार्टीच्या वॉलंटियरांक तशेंच एक कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचो प्रोग्राम जाल्लो म्हणून ऑलरेडी अनाउन्स केलेले आहा आनी बेसिकली 5 मुद्दे हायलायट करपाचे आमी चिंतलेले आहात आनी एक म्हणटा तो कॉन्स्टिट्युशन इन द फायट फॉर इक्वेलिटी that is the first key theme. There are 5 themes and basically jenna aaj conditions were for the OBC, for the ST minorities we amka dista we are victims basically the tribes, women, elderly and the youth जो संविधानाचेर आमकां जो एक रायट जावपाक जाय आशिल्लो जो मेळपाक जाय आशिल्लो जे फक्त आमचे दोतोर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकराचे आशिल्ले वी सी दॅट इन द लास्ट 10 years ड्युरिंग दीस BJP regime in both the state and the center there is a constitutional crisis दुसरें जे आमकां जे प्रोटेक्शन गॅरंटी दिलेली प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ रिजर्वेशन गॅरंटीड बाय द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हे हुयना हुय आमकां दिसता की खास करून कास्ट सेन्सस इन द काँग्रेस बेस्ड states have already been started we have demanded for that abolition of discrimination खास करून a core this is a core constitutional value so we need to concentrate on this as well ज्या पद्धतीन ह्यो भ्रष्ट जुमला पार्टीचो बीजेपीचो मायनॉरिटी टार्गेट करता ST लोकांक टार्गेट करता OBC लोकांक टार्गेट करता हो म्हाका दिसता खास करून it is when we say that what is written in the constitution अन्याय आमचेर करपाक हे बीजेपीचे लोक आज मुखार सरलेले आहेत चवथो जो एक थोडेशे कॅपिटलिस्ट लोकांक प्रोटेक्ट करपाक आमचे जेन्ना संविधानान जेन्ना आमी हे बीजेपी जे डिवायसिव पॉलिटिक्स करता खास करून फ्यू क्रोनी कॅपिटलिस्ट आर प्रोटेक्टेड जावं अडानी जावं अंबानी आनी जे व्हडले जे इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट आहा जे व्हडले जायत आसता but the poor are being marginalized by the failed policies of this Bhrasht Jumla party. So it is the need of the hour that we save our democracy and amche freedom that is guaranteed by the constitution. We cannot trust this Bharatiya Janata Party. आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा जे आमचो पार्टीचो लिडर बाब राहुल गांधी कन्याकुमारी तो काश्मीर गेलो आनी when he went सगळे लोकांक तेणें एक मार्ग दिलें एक विजन तेगेलें आशिल्लें टू टेक ऑल ऑफ अस टुगेदर and we could definitely see the implication in the parliamentary election that was just concluded. Today BJP's attack on the freedom of speech, misuse of agencies, we call them ED, CBI, the police, the magistrate today are become like caged parrots. Oika tinga opposition are बंद करपाक, वॉयस बंद करपाक हे प्रयत्न जेंगे जाल्ले आहाय म्हाका दिसता we need to protect our country from all this type of politics that was never seen during the Congress regime. And खास करून जे फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच जेन्ना आमचे आहा गोंयांत जे घडटा ते तुमकां खबर आसा. मुखेलमंत्री म्हणटालो गोंयांत अर्बन नॅक्सल आहाय म्हणून, कॉलिंग NGOs urban nexus, calling activists urban nexus. आम्ही जेन्ना एक प्रयत्न केलो विधानसभेन प्रश्न घातलो जेन्ना मुखेलमंत्रीन म्हणलें गोंयांत अर्बन नॅक्सल आहा म्हणून, whether any cases have been registered in any police station, in the home department, about whether any urban nexus exists. Answer was no cases. So म्हाका दिसता जे vindictive politics आज BJP चे आसा, RSS चे आहा. We have seen this when our leader Rahul Gandhi was basically disqualified as member of parliament. This was absolutely म्हाका दिसता unconstitutional. आणि जेन्ना हे डिस्क्वॉलिफिकेशन जालें आणि जो मुद्दो आज ह्या बीजेपीचो आहा ऑपोजिशन मुक्त भारत हे करपाक म्हाका दिसता बीजेपी they don't take time to disqualify or stifle the voices of the opposition. But the mass defection, खास करून Goa is known for the 10th schedule. आणि हे एंटी डिफेक्शन लॉ जेन्ना आमी जेन्ना हेजेर उलयतना आज जे स्पीकर जो आमचो आहा, he should not be a puppet. Speakers should not be puppets. They are the highest body in the constitution. आणि म्हाका दिसता हुंय ना हुंय जे गोंयांत आज घडटा, giving the defectors a clean sheet is disrespecting the constitution. Is our constitution safe? Are we safe? BJP's new coinage is एक है तो safe है. हे आज तेमी हे महाराष्ट्राच्या गावांत केलें, पूण म्हाका खबर ना आज हे मायनॉरिटी ST, SC, OBC भाव कित्याक टार्गेट करपाक सोदता. आनी this laboratory that they did in various states will not work in the state of Goa. Goa has always we have lived in communal harmony. आमी जावं हिंदू, क्रिस्तांव, मुसलमान भाव सदांच आमी एकठांय रावलेले आहा. Recently, we see that Goa is reeling under the threat of cash for job scam. When I say threat, the threat is because the whole process of administration, as the whole process of administration gets affected. People who are giving the bribe and taking the bribe, this is a criminal act. And you see the effect of this in the lives of the daily lives of the people. That आज जेन्ना हे भुरगे मेरिट नासतना जरी तो तेंगेले हे सिलेक्ट जाता जाल्यार मुखार एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कितें जातलें म्हाका दिसता हेजेर आमी लोकां मदें वचपाक जाय. When we raised the issue, पयच्या दिसाक आमच्या पार्टीच्या प्रेसिडेंटाक अरेस्ट केले, खासदाराक अरेस्ट केलो. I believe that आमचे keynote speaker will speak on whether it was constitutional that put a ban on a political party like the Congress party from protesting in Panjim for 6 months. This is something that we are challenging in the court. But Intun Dagun Dita, this is basically there are puppets also moving around. I call them puppets because BJP has become a factory, and to basically divergent Korpak issue from the main issue they are diverting. There is a threat to our constitution. It was said by their member of parliament, Anand Kumar, that the constitution will be changed if they get their numbers of 400 par. It was not said by the Congress party, it was said by Anand Kumar himself. So, Mahadista, be it parliament or assembly, the experience that we have as legislators, I have my colleague Anthony Costa here as well. The way we are not allowed on the session today itself in parliament was adjourned because of the Adani scandal. No one wants to debate on it. It is not only a national issue, they are playing with the lives of the people of this country because of corrupt individuals being protected. Assemblies have been curtailed. Assemblies, I believe, in the Goa Assembly is the least number of days in the country. Least number of days आमकां हे सेशन घेवपाक म्हाका दिसता प्रयत्न जाता तो हुंय ना हुंय रायट टू इक्वेलिटी आर फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच जे आमचे महान दोतोर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकराचे पंडित नेहरूचे काँग्रेस पक्षाचे जे विजन आशिल्लें हुंय ना हुंय हे भ्रष्ट जुमला पार्टी seems to be basically trying to get into anti-democratic elements, trying to non-state actors, trying to get into our state and spoil the communal harmony that we are known for. I would not possibly go into issues, technical issues in the constitution where we have our keynote speaker today, but I would only like to say that several issues pertaining to Goa, be it Goa's land issues, farmers, GST, inflation, communal disharmony, yes, सगळे issue here भ्रष्ट जुमला party करपाक सोदता. The party headed by the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant is basically here to only divert the attention of Goans. The corruption that is happening, the highest authority that we have is the Speaker. The Speaker himself is not happy with the progress of the minister. So what does this show is there's nothing but heavy corruption happening and all diversionary tactics. Ami for program म्हाका दिसता आमच्या पार्टीचे अध्यक्षान सांगला we will move across all the states in the next 60 days. I look forward that all of us with the Congress party, may it be door-to-door campaign, may it be meetings, may it be small W meeting down Jahir Sabha, our door-to-door campaign, our party president will give us the vision that the party has. Once again, I would like to thank all of you for coming here and giving me an opportunity to say a few words. Jai Hind, Jai Goa.
देव बरें करूं दिलबाग तुमी बरे विचार मांडले. आता हांव मागता गोंय प्रदेश काँग्रेस समितीचे अध्यक्ष बाबा अमित पाटकर हांणी आपले विचार मांडचे.
आजच्या या संविधान रक्षक अभियान प्रोग्रामाक हाजीर आशिल्ले गोंय राज्याचे विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी बाबू आलेमो, आमचे गोंय असेंब्लीचे तसेच केपें मतदारसंघाचे आमदार बाबा एंटन, आदले मुखेलमंत्री तसेच आदले दक्षिण गोंयचे खासदार बाबा फ्रांसिस्को सार्दिना आणि हांगा जमिल्ले सगळे गोंय प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटीचे ऑफिस बेरर्स, आमचे दोनूय डिस्ट्रिक्टाचे अध्यक्ष, तांचे ब्लॉक अध्यक्ष आणि फ्रंटराचे चेअरमॅन आणि तांचे सगळे पदाधिकारी, आमचो मिडिया चेअरमॅन आणि इतर हांगा सगळे जमिल्ले सगळ्यांक येवकार आणि नमस्कार. आमचे सिनियर व्हायस प्रेसिडेंट बाब MK शेकान काल जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डे 24 नोव्हेंबर 1950 जेन्ना ह्या देशाचो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एडॉप्ट जालो ताका काल 75 वर्सां जाली. आणि ह्या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनान कितें अधिकार आमकां आसा किंवा ह्या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनाच्या आधाराचेर ह्या देशाच्या लोकांक कितें प्रोटेक्शन मेळटा हाचेर विस्तारान आयकपाक आज आमच्या मदीं आसा द कीनोट स्पीकर, जे पॉलिटिकल एनालिस्ट, एक सिनियर काउन्सिल एडवोकेट तसेच कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल एक्सपर्ट एडवोकेट क्लिओफार कुतिनो, जाका आयकपाक आमी सगळे हांगा आयल्या. सो हांव चड वेळ घेना कित्याक नाजाल्यार मागीर दोतोर म्हणटले की तुमीच सगळे उलयले मरे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनाचेर आनी आमकां कांय धरूं ना. सो म्हाका दिसता मोठ्या रुटीन आमी हांगा सगळे हाजीर जाल्यात तांकां आयकपाक. आमचे विरोधी पक्ष फुडाऱ्यान सांगले की आज गोंयांत विविध जे इश्यू आसात, करप्शन आसतले, जे गोंयचे जागे जमनी हे सरकार विकपाक उठला, आज ज्यो बेजीक फेसिलिटी आसा लायट आसतले, उदक आसतले, रस्ते आसतले, किंवा एक मनीस जगपाक जाका आरोग्य गरजेचे आसता, ह्यो फॅसिलिटी आमकां मेळटा काय कितें? आमचे जे अधिकार जे आमचे लिडर श्री राहुल गांधीन म्हाका दिसता हो खूब बरोच फेमस जाल्लो आसा, म्हणजे उजव्या हातीक आमी फोटो लायला. आमचे लिडर श्री राहुल गांधी प्रत्येक सभेक, प्रत्येक भाशणान प्रत्येक नागरिकाक या देशाचे याद करून दिता की हे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया जो आसा, ज्याच्या अनुसार जे आमकां अधिकार मेळ्ळे किंवा ज्याच्या अनुसार जे आमकां रायट्स आसा, ते खंय तरी हे बीजेपी आरएसएसाचे सरकार गेल्ली 10 वर्सां आमचो आवाज दामपाचो प्रयत्न करता, आमचे ते अधिकार आसा ते काढून घेवपाचो प्रयत्न करता. सो हाजेर विस्तारान आमी आमचे सिनियर एडवोकेट बाब फिलोफाता कडेन आयकुया. पूण ह्या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनान बरयल्ले किंवा त्या वेळा वयले आमचे देशाचे पयले प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, इतर तांचे सगळे वांगडी आणि खास करून डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर, ज्यांनी आपली पुराय टिमी बरोबर बसून हे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बरोवन काढले. त्याच बरोबर तांचे वांगडी वल्लभभाई पटेल, के.एम. मुन्शी, सरोजिनी नायडू, मौलाना अब्दुल कलाम आझाद आणि इतर सगळे लोक ज्यांनी सहभाग केलो हो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बरोवपाक. म्हाका दिसता आज आमी तांकां याद करपाची गरज आसा, तांचे विचार घेवन मुखार वचपाची गरज आसा. आणि सगळ्यात महत्वाचे म्हणल्यार बाबासाहेब आंबेडकरान ह्या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनान बरयल्लें आसा की हावेवर गुड अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मे बी, if those who are implementing it are not good, it will prove to be bad. आणि म्हाका दिसता गेली 10 वर्सां जे हे वाक्य बाबासाहेब आंबेडकरान जे सांगिल्ले ते खंय तरी आज खरें ठरता. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनान बरयलां आसत, पूण जे लोक आज राज्य करता किंवा जे लोक ज्या लोकांच्या हातीन आज सत्ता आसा, ते लोक जर तर सारखे ना जाल्यार ह्या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हो बॅड जावपाक शकता. आणि ते म्हाका दिसता गेल्ली 10 वर्सां आमी पळयतात की कशा पद्दतीन हो सरकार आमचो आवाज दामपाचो प्रयत्न करता. फुडले 60 दीस गोंय प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटी पुराय 40 मतदारसंघ, आमचे दोनूय डिस्ट्रिक्ट अध्यक्ष तसेच आमचे बाकीचे इतर कमिटी, आमचो प्रयास आसतलो की प्रत्येक मतदारसंघान आमी इफेक्टिव्ह कॅम्पेन, इफेक्टिव्ह मेसेजिंग बोथ ऑनलाइन एज वेल एज ऑफलाइन, तसेच वेगळ्या वेगळ्या भागांनी रॅलीज, डोर टू डोर आउटरीच, जे वेगळ्या वेगळ्या मतदारसंघांचे जे कोर इश्यूज आसा ताचेर प्रोटेस्ट, मिडिया बरोबर फुडले 60 दीस एंगेजमेंट्स आणि ग्रासरूटाचेर आमचे डिस्कशन हे म्हाका दिसता महत्वाचे. फुडल्या 60 दिसांक गोंय प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटी हो कार्यक्रम हे अभियान घडोवन हाडटा आणि ताची सुरवात आयच्या आमी सुरू केल्ली आसा. सो हे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनाचे अधिकार किंवा ह्या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जातून आमकां अधिकार जे मेळ्ळे ते कशा पद्दतीन आमी हे लोकां कडेन व्हरपाक जाय किंवा ताचें म्हत्व कितें हे आमी आमचे आयचे की स्पीकर जे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एक्सपर्टूय आसा, एडवोकेट क्लोफार कुटिनो, तांच्या कडल्यान आमी आयकुया आणि या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनाचे विचार आणि या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनाची आयडिया घेऊन आम्ही प्रत्येक मतदारसंघात, प्रत्येक दारात, प्रत्येक घरात, प्रत्येक वोटराकडे पावपाचो आम्ही प्रयत्न करूया. आज जी युवा पिढी आसा गोंय राज्याची, आज युवा पिढी तळमळटा. अक्षरशः आज युवा पिढीक आज जॉब ना. आम्ही फाटल्या दिसांनी एक म्हयनो पयले की कशा पद्धतीन ह्या सरकारान गोंय राज्याक नंबर 1 करून दवरला इन टर्म्स ऑफ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. आणि जो आमचो युवा आसा तो आज खंय तरी मजबूर जावन जॉब ताका विकते घेवचे पडटा. हे सगळे विषय घेऊन आम्ही लोकां कडेन वतले फुडले 60 दीस. आयच्या ह्या कार्यक्रमाक हांव तुमकां सगळ्यांक परत एकदा वेलकम करता आणि आम्ही आमचे आयचे की स्पीकर एडवोकेट क्लोफार कुटिनो आमकां आयकपाक आमी हांगा आयिल्ले आसा. हांव वाट पळयता आणि म्हाका दिसता आमी सगळे ते विचार घेऊन आमकां प्रत्येक लोकां कडेन वचपाची गरज आसा. देव बरें करूं.
देव बरें करूं. Now I invite Advocate Leopold Coutinho to deliver his keynote address.
GPCC President Takarwa, Leader of Opposition Yuri Lema, and Elden ex-MP Fardina, my friend M.K. Sheikh, आणि सगळे जण मिळले तुम्ही काँग्रेस पार्टीचे वांगडी शेखान सांगलें नामनेचो वकील म्हणून आनीक युरी सांगता सिनियर काउन्सिल. I have been teaching constitution for 34 years. Almost 3.5 decades I have taught this subject. And possibly that is the reason why I will have to shift to the language of my lecture. And तुमची परवानगी घेता कोंकणी इंग्लिश दोन्ही उलोवप. दोन तीन गोष्टी सांगपाचे आनी म्हळ्यार वन थिंग इज Constitution is given by Ambedkar. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee. The draft was prepared by one B.N. Rao. Nehru had a big role to play in the deliberations of the Constitution. I can tell you that they start killing Constitution somewhere in November 1946. At that time there was no independence. And when they started framing of the Constitution, the language for India they thought about was not Hindi. It was Hindustani, which could be written in both the scripts. So that was the language which they started. But after partition, that was not possible. So finally, Hindi came, and the question of whether Hindi should be the national language or official language also came up. And there was a lot of disagreement on Hindi as a national language, particularly from the states. And when it was settled that Hindi would be the official language, Pandit Nehru said that English must continue for 15 years at that time, because the entire administration was in English. And he felt that the lower sections, the poor people, will not have access to English if it is made only Hindi. If we have English running along with Hindi in the entire country, it is the singular contribution of Pandit Nehru. Like on almost every issue, Pandit Nehru had something to say. So if you look into the debates, you will find that his contribution is monumental. दुसरी सांगपा म्हळ्यार सी आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनाक आतां 75 years जाली. सांगताय ते प्रमाणे no written constitution survives, or sorry, the average life of a written constitution is only 17 years, 17. American is about 200 years, more than 200 years. We have crossed, almost we are crossing now 75 years. So actually, it's a great achievement to have, to run a country with a written constitution. See, when a constitution is in writing, you can't change the basic document. And that is why our constitution was made very flexible. And the flexible दोनोंय आम कित्या बऱ्या पडे and कितली बऱ्या पडे ते पळया. Because flexible दवरले the framework of the constitution, भरपूर flexible दवरले. आता आमी more than 100 amendments केले to the constitution. पूण ते करपाक पडलेच जाय आशिल्ली ताची गरज जातली. See, when Goa was liberated, the constitution had to be amended to make provision for an administrator. So one amendment. When Goa Assembly Union Territory was formed, constitution was again amended to make provision for 36. दोन झाले. आमच्यात किती झाले पुढे? When we became statehood in 87, one more amendment. In 93, Konkani was introduced, another amendment. So अशेच चार झाले. So like this you can see how constitutional amendments are required. हांव कितें सांगता some days back नितीन गडकरी म्हणलें कोण कितें constitution उलयता तुमी? You people have been amending it 100 times. But because it has been amended 100 times and because it has been changed with changing times, we have come to these 75 years. If it was made a static document, सामकें जर बांदून दवरलें, maybe we would have collapsed. The country would have collapsed. All the countries which became free in 1947, only one country is surviving as a democracy. What does it mean? How many times Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka changed their constitutions, Malaysia, all countries in Asia which were free in 47, we are no longer democracies. We are the only democracy and a democracy and a country with a democratic culture. Now that is because our constitution was made flexible, it had to be changed with changing times. आनी दोन ती गोष्ट सांगपाक जाय म्हळ्यार it is like this. When आमी independent जाल्ले तेन्ना certain drastic laws were there in the constitution, and BJP still tells us that these laws were introduced by the Congress party. But imagine at that time 8 million people shifted to Pakistan and 7 million people came to India. It is the biggest migration in world history. Biggest migration in world history. So many people have never migrated in the world at any time. So in this biggest migration in world history, there were thousands of deaths. Thousands of deaths and killings. Now the constitution was getting framed in that situation. We will find immediately after independence, we had two major wars, 62 and 65. Now there are no wars, we are not facing any wars, but major wars. Then we will find that our literacy was 16%. Today it may be about 85%. We were producing something like 8 million tons of food grains. Now we must be producing 50 million tons or more. See, we have come out of poverty, we have come out of illiteracy because of this constitution. And what did the constitution say? Patkar said that I should go into the nitty-gritties. See, in the constitution, there is a chapter called rights chapter. Rights, it's your right. It's your right. And then there is another chapter called directive principles, what the state must do. And like I have freedom of speech. Freedom of speech. some landlord had right to own property. He had a right to own property. It was his right to own property. At the same time, it was the obligation of the state to see that poverty is brought down. Obligation of the state. So, almost from 50 onwards, up to the year 1974, for nearly 25 years, the parliament and the courts have been fighting over this. And every time the constitution had to be amended, because the Congress government was nibbling little bit into right to property. And why they were doing it? They were doing it because they wanted right to property not to come in the way of zamindari abolition, tenancy laws, nationalization laws, creating monopolies in favor of the state. And all this was coming in the way of the government, because the courts were not permitting the government to nibble or remove little bit of property. The little bit of rights, they would not permit. And the Congress party has been trying to nibble little bit, remove a little bit of property, another piece of property. Every now and then bring such legislations as it would help the parliament. And not only bring legislations, amend the constitution every now and then to see that these laws are saved. Like our Mundar law and the Agricultural Tenancy Act is saved in the 9th schedule. See, it was struck down. Our Agricultural Tenancy law was struck down by the High Court. Our Mundar law was struck down by the High Court. It is not that these laws were good laws. The court said these are bad laws. But because in the year 1951, there was a separate schedule created called the 9th schedule. These laws were placed in the 9th schedule and nobody could challenge those laws. See, it is this type of changes that the government was doing. The parliament was bringing the amendments so that these laws are saved. Like I will say that there was a huge privy purses that Scindia's father was getting every month. Huge amount of money from the government. It was decided that a privy purses be abolished. Now, it was promised to him. That had to be saved by another amendment. So basically we will find that every time changes are made